Israel is a small country. It is a nation surrounded by challenges, a sliver of land in a tough neighborhood. Yet from this pressure, something remarkable has emerged, like a diamond formed under immense heat and weight. Israel has become a global powerhouse of innovation, and it is not just about popular apps or clever software on our phones. It is about something more fundamental, the very core of survival itself. Few technologies capture Israeli innovation like the Iron Dome. It is more than a defense system. It is a symbol of hope, a guardian of civilian life. Imagine a sky filled with incoming rockets, each one aimed at a home, a school, a shopping center. For years, this was the terrifying reality. The Iron Dome changed everything. In simple terms, it is a smart mobile shield. A sophisticated radar detects and tracks short-range rockets, while computers predict where they will land in a split second. If it will fall in an open field or the sea, it lets it fall. This saves money and resources. But if it threatens a town or a city, Iron Dome springs into action with an agile interceptor. It does not collide head-on. It explodes near the threat, neutralizing it in the sky. Long before consumer drones became commonplace, Israel pioneered their use for protection. Information is the most valuable weapon on any battlefield. Eyes over the next hill, deep into hostile terrain, without risking a pilot's life, was a game-changer. UAVs silently patrol borders and gather critical intelligence, feeding a constant stream of data to decision-makers. From the Heron to the Skylark, platforms packed with advanced tech. Powerful optics see by day and by night, sensors detect movement miles away, and secure links transmit real-time video. Border watch, counter-terror operations, mapping and rescue. Endurance measured in tens of hours creates unbroken coverage. Israel's secret is the collaboration between uniforms and lab coats. They are partners in a shared mission. Mandatory service places bright minds in elite tech units, like Unit 8200 and Talpiot. They experience operational needs firsthand. What works and what does not. After service, they carry that insight to academia and industry. They study at top universities, then join defense firms or start their own. MAFAT bridges military needs with academia and industry, funding research and guiding concepts into fielded systems. A problem described, solutions begin immediately. Trophy APS was born from tank crew's urgent need for protection. Rafael worked side by side with soldiers to refine it, now standard at home, and adopted abroad, including the US. The same culture powering defense innovation fuels Startup Nation. The connection is direct and powerful. Elite military units incubate world-class talent, teaching cybersecurity, data analysis, AI and systems engineering. They leave with skills and a mission-driven mindset. They improvise under pressure and question hierarchy to solve problems. This fearless spirit is perfect for startups. Defense tech repurposes, like military network security into Checkpoint, or fusing multiple data feeds, applied to everyday navigation. Tracking enemy movement becomes traffic optimization, and secure comms become the basis of safe online banking. Success recycles into investment, mentorship, and stronger defense. Born from necessity, these innovations reach far beyond Israel. Israel partners with allies, sharing technology and know-how. The US even fields Iron Dome batteries for its own protection. From direct sales to joint development and training programs. Israeli drones support borders, surveillance and disaster response. Electro-optical cameras provide superior vision worldwide. In cybersecurity, protecting grids, water and finance is paramount. Firms led by IDF veterans defend critical infrastructure globally. This cooperation builds a network of shared security. Ingenuity from a small nation brings hope and resilience to many. Technology never stands still, and neither do Israel's innovators. Even as current shields protect, new ones are being born. The future aims for faster, smarter, and more precise solutions. Iron Beam, a laser shield that defeats rockets, mortars, and drones in seconds, with engagements costing dollars of electricity, not missiles. AI and robotics deliver swarms, robotic patrols, and real-time command. The aim is simple: prevent war and shield civilians when it comes.